How to wire a center console boat. If you are curious about how to wire a center console boat, you are in for a treat. Wiring is essential for ensuring your boat runs smoothly and safely. Let's break down the steps you need to follow for a successful wiring job. First, start by planning the electrical layout. You will want to map out all the components you plan to install. This includes lights, bilge pumps, fish finders, and any other accessories. Identify where you will place switches, fuse blocks, and batteries. Typically, these are located near the console for easy access. Next, select marine-grade wiring and components. Marine-grade wires and connectors are designed to resist corrosion, moisture, and vibration. Stick to consistent wire colors: red or yellow for positive connections, black for negative or ground, and other colors for specific functions. This helps avoid confusion. Now it is time to install the battery and main battery switch. Secure the battery in a ventilated battery box, either near the console or under the deck. The main battery switch allows you to disconnect power safely when needed, preventing battery drain when the boat is not in use. After that, run the main power and ground cables. Use appropriately sized cables, often 6 or 8 gauge for main power lines, from the battery to the fuse block and bus bars. The fuse block protects circuits by isolating faults, while the bus bar serves as a common grounding point. Keep positive and negative cables separate and well insulated. It is also important to fuse each circuit close to the power source. Each device or group of devices should have its own fuse near the battery or fuse block. This prevents damage from shorts or overloads. Choose fuse ratings based on wire size and device amperage requirements. Next, wire the switch panel. Connect each fused circuit to the switch panel at the console. This is where you control power to devices like lights and pumps. Make sure to label the switches clearly for easy identification. When routing wiring, do so neatly and securely. Bundle wires using zip ties and saddles, but avoid over-tightening. Use conduit or wire loom for protection and route wires away from sharp edges and heat sources. Now connect loads and grounds. Run positive wires from the switch panel or fuse block to each device. Connect all negative wires to the bus bar, which then connects back to the battery negative terminal. This completes your circuit. Once you finish wiring, test the system. Check each circuit individually to ensure everything operates properly. Look for correct fuse sizing, secure connections, and absence of shorts or voltage drops. Lastly, document the wiring. Keeping a wiring diagram and notes for future reference is a great idea. This will save you time and effort during maintenance or upgrades. For center console boats, practical considerations include the compact space around the console. Careful planning is necessary to avoid clutter and ensure accessibility. Since these boats are often used for fishing, prioritize wiring for fish finders, live well pumps, and trolling motors, ensuring they are protected against water exposure. By following these steps, you will create a safe and organized electrical system tailored to your center console boat's needs.